Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Xiaomi's handheld cooling fan, high-speed semiconductor refrigeration, and a large capacity battery with 7,000 mAh. Thank you very much Xiaomi's for sending this for unboxing and review. For the box art, it's a white box colored design na merong handheld cooling fan dito sa upper left. Product shot, high-speed semiconductor refrigeration and 7,000 mAh. Dito naman sa gilid, cooling plate, 7,000 mAh. Ang laki ng battery niya, super nice yan. And low noise design. Tapos product specifications. And also meron siyang 4-way na mga benefits like neck fan, tabletop fan, mobile battery, smartphone holder. Product specifications, TC31, cooling handy fan, rated input power consumption, material ABS aluminum alloy. Pwede rin yung mga accessories niya, neck strap, dedicated USB cable type C, manual, warranty card. Okay, and you have the barcode and the product description, tapos designed by Xiaomi's in Japan. Thank you very much Xiaomi's. Now open na natin yung box, slide lang natin to, and ito na yung product natin. Very cool, angas. Okay, lagay natin dito, tanggalin natin yung plastic, and ito yung manual. Tapos meron din ditong smaller box para dun sa mga cables. Check natin yung cables. So meron siyang neck strap. Ito yung neck strap, ganda, metallic din tong mga cable. Ito parang braided cable, very nice. Tapos metal yung kanyang lock. Tapos ito braided cable for the USB tsaka type C. Kakabit natin dito yan mamaya. Ayan. Okay, so ito na yung mismong fan. Measure muna natin siya. It's around 6.5 inches. Tapos yung width niya 3 inches. And then yung thickness niya 0.5 inches lang. So pag naka-fold, around 1.25 inches. So it's very compact, madaling dalhin sa sa bag. Very handy, lalong-lalo na sa travel. Okay, first alamin muna natin yung mga parts. Ito yung lanyard hole. Tapos meron kang folding stand. Ito yung folding stand mo. Tapos meron siyang cooling plate. Ito yung sa gitna. So lumalamig yan para mas malamig yung air na binubuga niya. And you have also the fan blades inside. Cooling button, meron dito. And you have the display here. Power button and Type-C charging port. Okay, so turn on na natin yung fan. Hold lang natin tong power button na matagal. So long press. So you have F1. So ito yung pan-testing natin. Ayan, F1. F2. Press lang natin ulit for F2. Okay, mas malakas siya. And then mas ang stig ng sound niya kasi silent siya. So mahina yung sound pero malakas yung hangin. Okay, F3. Okay, yes, very nice. Ayan o. Tapos F4. There you go. Ayan, mas malakas. Tapos yung pinakamalakas, F5. Ooh. Mas tahimik yung sound niya. Ayan o. Pero, marinig nyo naman sa camera. Tahimik yung sound pero malakas yung hangin. So magagamit to sa, I think pwede to sa sa mga classrooms. Tsaka sa mga sa church, pwede yan. Sa mga silent type na lugar, pwede. Kasi hindi siya masyado maingay. Silent type na na fan, pero malakas yung hangin. Tapos pwede nyo rin pinutin tong cooling button. Yan magkakaroon ng parang snowflake na icon dun sa gilid. And then lalamig na yung center na metallic pad. Hintayin lang natin lumamig yung cooling plate. Ayan. So dalawa yung levels ng ng cooling levels niya. So pag nagbi-blink, yan yung mas malakas na cooling type of level. Ayan, mas nagko-condense na siya. Ayan magkakaroon ng water. Ayan, malamig. Ayan, tapos itatoggle lang natin ulit, press lang natin ulit para mawala na yung cooling na option. Okay? Pero nag-work yung niya, cooling pad niya, cooling system dun sa cooling plate. So very cool. So nababasa siya kapag lumalamig yung cooling plate. Nagkakaroon ng condensation. Tapos yung position ng fan, pwede nyo ma-rotate. Pwede pa ganito. So pwede nyo ipatong sa desk. Ayan, habang nag-work kayo, tapos nakatapat yung fan sa inyo. Very nice. Okay, tapos pwede rin nyo rin namang lagyan ng, pwede rin siya maging phone stand. Tataas nyo lang to, yung arm nya. Taas nyo lang yung folding stand. Okay, 90 degrees na halos. Tapos lagyan nyo lang yung phone dito. So meron siyang groove dito sa base. Then lagay nyo lang yung phone. Yan, so pwede na kayo manood ng shows habang meron kayong fan. Yan. Tapos kung medyo lobat na kayo, pasok nyo tong USB cable. Tapos yung Type-C na end, lagay nyo sa phone. And then habang nanonood kayo, meron na kayong fan. And ma-charge na yung phone nyo. Okay? So kunwari, naiwanan nyo yung charger ng phone, tapos nagka-travel kayo, nasa labas kayo. And then you have the Zymeiss na fan. Pwede rin siya maging power bank kasi ang laki ng battery capacity niya, 7,000 mAh. So just don't forget to bring the cord. Itong cable na to, importante to para makapag-charge ng phone. So isaksak nyo lang yung other end dito sa fan, and then yung USB Type-C na end dito sa phone, and then mag-charge na siya. Very very handy. Kung gusto nyo naman gawing neck fan, pasok nyo lang tong part ng strap dun sa slots, and then pwede na natin siya ibuhol dito, pati yung other end lagyan natin. Okay, then kunin nyo lang tong metal locks. Okay, then pwede nyo siya maging neck fan. Okay, so charging naman, very easy to charge. Pasok nyo lang dito sa Type-C na slot. And magdi-display na siya. You have the lightning icon na nagbe-blink. And you also have the number 81. So 81% na to over 100. So 100% yung full charge. Okay, kapag 100 na, tanggalin na natin to kasi ayaw naman natin ma-overcharge yung battery. Yan. Okay, kung gusto nyo umorder nito mga moms or ng Zymeiss na fans, punta lang kayo dito sa Shopee link na ilalagay ko sa description down below. So ito yung Shopee page nila. Ito yung product na nire-review natin ngayon. It's the semiconductor refrigeration mini fan TC31 portable phone holder, 7,000 mAh USB power bank rechargeable. It's very nice, super cool. Neck fan with adjustable safety strap. Just hang the necklace fan around your neck to enjoy the breeze. Easy to carry. Say goodbye to tightness and sweating. Rechargeable power bank. Gusto ko yung feature na yan, yung power bank, kasi minsan yung phone ko low bat na. Tapos nasa labas kami, hindi ko ma-charge. So very useful yan. And also, you have the speed adjustable by 180 degrees rotation. So meron kang 5 fan speed. Ayan. Lightweight siya at saka portable. Yun din ang gusto ko dito, portable siya at saka malakas yung hangin pero hindi malakas yung sound. Yan. Noise niya below 36 decibels lang. Tapos Type-C na rin yung port niya. Meron siyang 7 gears, 3 to 6 hours yung battery life. Tapos ang product features niya, pwede siya desktop, mobile phone, neck hanging, and other related situations. Can also be used as a mobile phone charger. Okay. Yan. Tapos ito pa yung mga iba't iba pang images sa kanilang Shopee page. Yan. Zymeiss TC31 semiconductor refrigeration, phone stand, semiconductor cooling, 5 levels of air volume, foldable, and 7,000 mAh. Can be used continuously for 13 hours. Wow, haba nun ah. Pero level 1 yun. At kapag todo yung level, I think 3 hours. Fully foldable. Gusto ko rin yung foldable and magiging stand para ma-accommodate yung phone. Instant cooling din. Sobrang init dito sa Philippines kaya bagay na bagay ito sa atin dito. Okay, again, last na testing. 5 yung level, and then ito yung kanyang strength na air volume. Super nice. Tapos pwede mong palamigin, 2 levels din. Okay. So yun, again, thank you very much Zymeiss fans for sending this fan. Very very nice. Gustong gusto ko yung power bank na feature. and malakas din yung hangin, hindi malakas yung sound. Okay, thank you very much Zymice for sending this for unboxing and review. So lalagay ko na lang yung link in the description down below. Kung gusto niyo bumili, punta na kayo sa Shopee. Okay, so yun, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.